Emmanuel Sabiti ndiye nabo wabireho mushomesa wa Kiswahili hari Makerere University hamwe na Mubza itaje rya nakawa Kampala nuwa kwasire nyumwa abazishaha mukagazi hangwe obwabira ayesherekire mu iteme erukshango mucyaro cyakacerero muri nyatshana BUHWEJU ati kwabire naruga yo kuza kuronde byo kurya bati abaturanukwe kumureba bakagera ngo nuwe barebera ha TV West bakamanyisa polisi. Bwa nyuma yo kwatwa Sabiti atizire ngo akaba naenda kwita omukazi we bwa nyuma yo kumushanga no mushamba no munju bite cyamuremere
aho mushija tumuzeyi atkanosha ngo war hatuza kuryama nataho mushinje ni hayumuhoro kubakanga ngo bagende nashanga bagenzire kungankaza kurera ndi umuntu ya tero rwijo munanga artero munanga umuchenje injira ngo nuwe ntaha mutsindikana inatayirimo kukora byabiro
nagira ngo mukazi wakamugera ngo abana tuwishe bo yagaruka yamuzubira kubyama nawe ecyamuzemeserize kuraro mu kishenge cy'abagenyi rero bwa nyuma y'imyaka 2 yamureba inenda.
She was always telling me that the children that we have are not mine, that they have their own different father. And when I got retired, she rejected me and started sleeping alone. And even refused me access to the business that I had given her to manage. So we stayed separated for quite a long time. But after some time, she became pregnant and claimed that the pregnancy was even mine in front of the officers who came from here and the villagers. She claimed that the pregnancy was mine, and yet we had spent more than 2 years without staying together.
Elizoba twakoma kagasabiti tyo twagambaho na Lydia bagonzo mukazuwe atyo atugera ngo Sabiti nabiha ahubwo kubecyo kiro cyenyini tine uyamurebere kandi ngutakubasa kureta omushamba no munju yiba
buri evening nimbandia nawe nashanga bona shiri mbanyina ndikumangusha abana naza kwijana nireto kwijana tutura mu mushije mutuzega namugambira ntabana bashweke baba rudent you wake up at night make sure you give them water when I'm not around. And he's the only person that has the keys of this house, outside keys. I have a copy. My girl Lillian had a copy, and him. Only us. Target to destroy me.
So itwe nka security tushaziremu tutinitwiza kwekwatanisa n'aba bebembezi beitu aba politicians abaloko turunda abantu abebembezi bedini tugende nka one voice turukujumirira domestic violence.
Lydia yagaruka yatugera ngo abana bona n'abasabiti kandi ngo bakaza no gukora DNA atyo Sabiti yayanga ari kugira ngo abana bamusha
nkana gambire wawuro tar secure ngambire abana aba atabana abana banje atumutshuko ko kuba muzeyire atumusho umuntu wano byamana nyina ati wazara umwana ati ni utakubarishe tantu me want to get concrete evidence umwana wano urura ngutari wawe yakanya umuyihapa inga kamutwarisha so tumaze ro wiretse tine nyo n'umushejo
twashanga ngo ababera babire bahereze imyaka 2 batanere kandi umwaka gwahwire Lydia akazara umwana heru atari wa Sabiti ubwa hati Sabiti Emmanuel hamwe n'umutabano wo mukazi mukuru bakwatsirwe kandi bakumirwa mu cyome cya Kabwohe kandi abantu baza kutwarwa mu kota harwa katano kandi nashaba polisi kumusasira ati akagaruka mu makage. Abatura bayanga kugambira kamera zitu nubagera ngo Sabiti atwira inekizu n'abakazi ubwe ngo umwaka fumuringo gwe kishobobo kandi ababero bayangana kandi bagonza biraryo mukazi wakana gasha kwa maikwa twakire.